Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. Start by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of your home screen to open all settings menu, and then in this menu you're gonna have to go down to System, then in System open About, and then in About select Reset. Now before you perform a factory reset operation, I just want to let you know that performing this operation will erase all data from your device, including its settings, preferences, channels you have set up on it, media files that you have stored in your storage, and everything else, applications. It will not erase your purchases, so if you made any purchases in your store, they are linked to your account, they will not be erased, but all the data stored on this device will be. Therefore, if you have some important data on your TV, then first of all back it up using a USB flash drive, and after that perform this operation by selecting Reset, then confirm by selecting Reset once again, and then select Delete everything to confirm. And if you are prompted, enter your PIN code. And once your device's screen goes off, you just have to wait until the operation is performed and you see the language selection screen once again. Okay, and at this point the factory reset operation is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.